Here is the question for you. How do you eat? Yes, you heard it right. How do you eat? Now, don't tell me you eat with your hand or fork. That's not the point. How do you behave with food is what we are looking at. Do you really connected to the food that you eat, or are you just stuffing that inside? What you are about to see will change the way you think about food. Yes, we are at Isha Yoga Center, a non-profit organization founded by Sadhguru. We got a privilege to shoot inside the Biksha hall, the space for dining. This space is designed for 1,000 people to eat at a time. The food in the ashram is served twice a day, morning brunch, evening dinner. Before people get inside the hall, the volunteers here make sure the hall is ready for dining. The mats are laid, the plates are arranged and ready for serving. People step inside with a devotion in their heart. They walk and pay respect to the Guru and sit silently. We are at the morning brunch session where the food is a complete diet. We have raw foods, groundnuts, carrots, hand-pound rice, millet rice, sambar, rasam, etc. I'm feeling hungry already. Are you? No one speaks a word when they eat. They are completely devoted to the food. And some even sit in silence after they had their food. This is a meditation by itself. Separate bins for fruit peel and food waste are placed. They are collected and used for manure for the plants. After eating, people collect their own plates, wash it, rack it by themselves. I love to have my kid here. He would learn the discipline naturally.